Synthetic oils play a crucial role in keeping your engine running smoothly, offering superior protection, efficiency, and longevity compared to conventional oils. Designed to handle extreme temperatures and reduce wear, they help extend engine life while improving performance. Whether you're maintaining a daily commuter, a high-performance vehicle, or a work truck, choosing the right oil makes all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the best synthetic oils available to help you keep your engine in peak condition. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the STA-BIL Full Synthetic 2-Cycle Oil. If you're looking to keep your equipment running efficiently while minimizing smoke emissions, look no further than STA-BIL Full Synthetic 2-Cycle Oil. This low-smoke formula is specifically designed to ensure that your machinery starts up smoke-free, providing you with a smoother experience every time you use it. This premium, full synthetic oil is infused with an added fuel stabilizer, which helps keep your fuel fresh for up to 1 year. It's the ideal solution for maintaining the longevity of your 2-cycle engines, ensuring they operate at peak performance. The easy-to-use, one-shot pour size of 13 ounces treats up to 5 gallons of fuel, making it convenient for users who value efficiency. Moreover, you can use STA-BIL Full Synthetic 2-Cycle Oil with confidence, thanks to its multi-mix technology. It's safe for all 2-cycle engines, accommodating mix ratios of 50:1 and 40:1, allowing you to adapt it to various equipment without worry. To maximize the effectiveness of your STA-BIL products, remember that they are effective for up to 2 years after opening. It's a simple yet important step to mark the date you opened the bottle on the back of the package. By doing so, you ensure that you get the best performance from your oil while prolonging the life of your equipment. Make the smart choice for your maintenance routine with STA-BIL Full Synthetic 2-Cycle Oil. At number 4, Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage Motor Oil. If your vehicle has surpassed 75,000 miles, giving extra attention to engine health becomes essential. Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage Motor Oil is engineered with enhanced max life technology to help prevent breakdowns and keep your engine running reliably for years to come. This advanced formula includes specialized seal conditioners designed to prevent and address oil leaks, an issue that often arises in older vehicles. By reducing oil consumption, it not only extends engine life but also ensures consistent performance. With 50% better wear protection than the industry standard, Valvoline provides a strong line of defense against the friction and stress high-mileage engines face daily. On top of that, it delivers 25% more protection against harmful deposits, sludge, corrosion, and rust, which can negatively impact both efficiency and longevity if left unchecked. Valvoline's reputation further adds to its credibility. With over 150 years of experience, the brand has been a trusted name in motor oil, continuously innovating to meet the evolving needs of drivers. Choosing this American-made product means relying on proven quality and performance you can count on. By using Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage, you're not just adding oil, you're making a long-term investment in your vehicle's reliability. It's tailored specifically for high-mileage cars, helping you enjoy smoother rides, fewer maintenance worries, and a stronger, longer-lasting engine. Number 3, we have the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Oil. If you want uncompromising engine protection, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Engine Oil is built to deliver. Designed for high-performance engines, this advanced formula gives you the confidence to handle demanding driving conditions while keeping your engine running at its best. What sets Pennzoil apart is its base. This oil is made from natural gas, not crude. That means a cleaner, purer formulation engineered to perform in extreme hot or cold temperatures, making it a reliable choice no matter where or how you drive. Performance isn't just about endurance, it's about preserving power. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum helps protect your engine from power loss, ensuring every ride feels smooth, strong, and responsive. Its unsurpassed wear protection, proven in the Sequence Integrated Visual and Auditory Wear Test, helps extend engine life by reducing friction and maintaining efficiency over time. Fuel economy is another important benefit. By meeting and exceeding industry standards, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum supports better mileage. which can translate into long-term savings at the pump without compromising protection. With this oil, you're not just topping off your engine, you're actively investing in its future. By reducing wear, maintaining efficiency, and supporting fuel savings, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum helps ensure your vehicle continues to deliver peak performance for years to come. If you're serious about maximizing performance, reliability, and longevity, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic gives your engine the edge it deserves so you can drive harder, longer, and with greater confidence. At number 2, Royal Purple Motor Oil. If you're seeking to enhance the performance and longevity of your vehicle, Royal Purple Motor Oil is an exceptional choice. With its advanced formulations, Royal Purple provides superior wear protection that safeguards your engine, ensuring it runs smoothly even under demanding conditions. Using high-quality motor oil not only prolongs the life of your engine, but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. By reducing friction and wear, Royal Purple helps your car operate more efficiently, which can lead to significant savings at the pump over time. Additionally, Royal Purple is engineered to protect your catalytic emission system, a critical and expensive component of your vehicle. This oil helps maintain optimal operation and longevity, preventing costly repairs down the road. If your vehicle runs on fuel containing ethanol, you'll appreciate Royal Purple's enhanced compatibility with these blends. This feature ensures that your engine remains protected and performs optimally, regardless of the fuel type you use. Corrosion can pose a serious threat to your engine's integrity. With Royal Purple, you gain superior corrosion protection, which helps to defend against harmful deposits and rust, extending the life of your engine components. By choosing Royal Purple, you're investing in the long-term health of your vehicle, enabling it to perform at its best while minimizing environmental impact. Experience the benefits of advanced motor oil and keep your engine running strong for years to come. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Shell Rotella T5 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. If you want motor oil that delivers lasting protection for your diesel engine, Shell Rotella T5 Synthetic Blend is formulated to meet those demands. With its advanced Triple Protection Plus technology, it guards against wear, harmful deposits, and oil breakdown, making it a reliable choice for diesel pickup trucks, on-highway fleets, construction equipment, and agricultural machinery. Engines often face extreme stress, whether from heavy loads, long hours, or harsh temperatures. This oil is designed to adapt, providing improved low-temperature flow for dependable cold starts, while maintaining viscosity and stability under high heat conditions. The result is smoother operation, longer engine life, and consistent performance you can rely on in any environment. Another advantage lies in its low ash content, which helps protect exhaust after-treatment systems from contamination. By reducing buildup, the oil supports compliance with emission standards and promotes better fuel efficiency. That means fewer worries about downtime or maintenance costs and more confidence in your equipment's performance. Shell Rotella T5 isn't just about protection, it's also about value. It extends engine durability while enhancing efficiency, giving you the peace of mind that your vehicle or machinery is operating at its best. If you're looking for a balance of strength, reliability, and efficiency, Shell Rotella T5 Synthetic Blend gives your engine the protection it deserves, mile after mile. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which synthetic oil you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.